Hey guys, how's it going? MarcSkyStocks back at it again. I know this is probably a live stream, so just give me a second, guys. Well, while I'm looking over here, I figure I'd just do a live stream so I can hurry up and get this posted versus me having to do all that editing and all that other stuff. So currently I'm in AMAT right now, and I am short in AMAT. Reason being they had guidance, lower guidance. AJ also spotted this one, so I also liked it. The overall trend is to the downside, so I felt as if we did pop this morning, I was going to look for it to at least retest yesterday's low, which is what we went into. Once I seen this first big pull, I pretty much got into it, shorted right back into this upwards trend. I covered into my position, and I left 50 shares on the table now, and I'm just trying to see if I can get more. What I'll do now is probably play this trend that's trending downwards and see if I can possibly get that to continue downwards and see if we can get more of a sell-off. I do have a trailing stop on it, and I'll be watching that trailing stop to make sure that it doesn't pop on me. So as long as that trend holds on those 50 shares that I have on the table, I'm going to ride that down and see how much more I can get on the sell-off on that AMAT short. But again, they lowered their guidance. AJ came in the room. He saw the same thing I saw. So we both had pretty much, we're agreeing on basically the same thing. So once I've noticed that, I pretty much just drew up support and resistance. And as you can see this morning, it had two strong support here. So this is why I didn't want to take a short this morning, because of the support it had here. It started bouncing. I was looking for here, pulled back, it held it. I didn't get the full breakdown, so I didn't enter it. So typically, if I did start getting a full breakdown here, what I did and made this was my risk. So we didn't get it. So we ripped right into yesterday's low, which is what I wanted to see. Got our first pull, entered here, and here's my risk. So once we got that nice little pull, which was about almost a little over 50-70 cents on it, I started scaling out of my position, took some profits. So if it did bounce, no matter what, I'm green on the trade. Now I'm just going to let the remainder of my position play out, which is 50 shares. And I want to see if I can get this just to fade right back out where it came from. So let's just zoom out so you guys can see what I'm looking for on it. So basically this morning, and this is why I wanted to play it, because this had range. It pulled, bounced, chopped around pre-market, ripped, pretty much filled this gap right here is what I was looking for. Once the gap was filled, I feel as if my risk reward was now right around this area if I did take it off of this green one. But I wanted to see that pull, the rejection, or somewhat, which is what I finally got. Once I got the rejection, I entered it short, and I'm just trying to see if I can get this to come right back down on it. So I'll probably hold on to this for the remainder of the day. As long as my trailing stop doesn't get hit or this trend doesn't break, I'm going to try to ride this back down and see how much I can get out of it. But other than that, guys, this is my only trade for the day, which is light short, lower guidance. If you guys have any questions, guys, feel free to reach out. Give the channel a like if you like what you're hearing. Subscribe, set an alert, whichever. Share. Just trying to provide and share the information of what I look for and how I trade. Again, guys, today light is my only trade as of now. Pretty much hit my daily goal off this trade. So with that being said, if I do anything, there will be just straight scalps from the remainder of the day. So again, guys, take care, enjoy your day, trade safe.